Assalamualaikum student. Today our topic of discussion is Theriasis palpebrarum. The name of this topic is little bit difficult, but topic is so much easy. First of all, we are going to explain the definition of topic. It is the lid infestation caused by Phtherus pepis, or we can say caused by crab lice. Now, this is the definition of this disease. You can see Phtherus pubis or crab lice. You have to remember these words. Now, MOD, it's mean the mode of transmission, how it transmits from one person to the other person. You can say it as causative behavior, causative agents. The crab lice is causative agent of this disease. Crab lice is causative agent of this disease. Now, mode of transmission. First mode of transmission is sexual activity. It can be transmitted through sexual activity. And other mode of transmission, if one person is closely in contact with infected person, means close contact with infected person. Third mode of transmission, use of contaminated cloth, towel or bedding, etc. etc. By using contaminated cloth, it can be spread, it can be transmitted from one person to the other person. Now we are going to study the clinical features of this disease. You can say what are the symptoms, what are the signs, or you can say what are the clinical features of this disease. Here we are I have wrote these clinical features in the form of three points. I am going to explain. It presents with the features of blepharitis or blepharoconjunctivitis. This is one of the clinical feature of this disease. Main symptoms and signs are severe irritation of the lid margin and severe itching of the lid margin. These are the symptoms or signs you can say of this disease. Now, and other one is there will be nits or eggs adherent to the lashes. You can see nits. These nits or eggs are exactly like the white particles which we see in our head here. There will also be white particles in the lashes of our eyes. Okay? Second one, adult lice may be adherent to the lashes. Crab lice, it's mean crab lice. This crab lice may be adherent to the eyelashes. Now, what is the way of diagnosis of this disease? The simple and the single way of diagnosis of this disease is slit lamp examination. We can only diagnose this disease with the help of slit lamp examination. Finally, what is the treatment of this disease? There no first one and most common way of treatment of this disease is the removal of crab lice with the help of forceps. Second way of treatment, what is the second way of treatment? The removal of eyelashes or trimming, but all the patient will not tolerate this way of treatment. You have to remember this. Third one is pilocarpine. What is pilocarpine? This is 4% gel. We apply this gel on the eyelashes 4 times a day. We use this gel for the 2 weeks, for 14 days. Fourth one is yellow mercuric oxide. This is 1% eye ointment. We will apply this ointment 4 times a day on our eyelashes, and we use this ointment for 14 days for 2 weeks. Fifth one is physiostigmine. This is 0.25% ointment. Now we apply this ointment on our eyelashes for 2 times a day for 10 days. The final and the last treatment is malathion. It is 1% eye drop, or it is shampoo in the form of shampoo. We can apply the eye drop in the eyes, or we can apply the shampoo on the eyelashes 2 times a day for 10 days. For 10 days we will apply this. Okay? Now I am going to show you the pictures of the Phtheriosis palpebrarum. You can easily diagnose with the help after seeing the pictures. If you can't understand, if you have any question, then you can ask from me. It is so much easy topic, you can easily understand after seeing the picture. It will be so much easy for you. Now I am going to show you the pictures. Assalamu alaikum student, you can see here the picture of Theriaceae palpebrarum. You can say at the margins of eyelids, in the eyelashes, white material. This is basically crab lice that is stuck into the eyelashes. When you see on slit lamp, you can see it clearly and you can diagnose it and you can treat it. I have already explained how you can treat this crab lice. You can remove this crab lice with the help of forceps. You can remove the eyelashes, but these are so much in quantity, so you can't remove. It's time consuming, so you have to remove eyelashes. But the removal of eyelashes all the patient will not accept, because it will not look good cosmetically. Then I have already told you the other ways of treatment, how you can treat this disease. Okay, now this is basically the image of adult crab lice. This is the here you can see adult crab lice. This stuck with the eyelashes and severe itching starts in our eyes. Now after seeing this image, I hope when you see this case on slit lamp, you can easily diagnose this disease. Thank you so much. If you have any question, you can ask from me.